How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your oil life light on a 2022 Honda Civic Sport. You're going to go ahead and start the car. Wait for everything to load up. If it was due for an oil change right now, it would be displayed on the left screen right over here. Since this guy is doing it a little bit earlier, it's not displayed there, but we're going to go ahead and reset it anyways. You're going to hit the home button over here to dismiss it. Now over here, you're gonna scroll up or down. As you can see, it's on seatbelts maintenance right underneath it. You're gonna use the scroller right over here until you reach to maintenance. Once you're at maintenance, you're gonna hit enter by hitting in. Now you're gonna go ahead and press and hold this. Press it and holding the scroller. All right, let go. Now you're gonna use the scroller once again to scroll through the item list here. So we're gonna do all due items, hit enter once more, and the reset is complete. There you go, oil life 100%. As always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.